I am Dr. H. Ratnam, assistant professor retired, and for some time I have been teaching English grammar for those who are aspiring to go for competitive examinations and for those who want to learn English language. In my earlier class, I taught you on verb of possession, present tense. In this class, I would like to teach you on verb of possession, past tense and future tense. Verb of possession, you know very few verbs, that is have and has. If we use have and has, they tell the possession of the subject, what the subject possesses, what the subject owns, is explained by have and has. And for have and has, past tense is had, only one word, had. Has, had, have, had. So when we use had in the sentence, this verb tells past tense of the verb of possession and what the subject possessed in the past. I have a car means presently I have a car. I had a car means some time ago I had a car. How that is distinguished between present tense and past tense means, if we use have, that is present tense. If we use had, that is past tense. I had a car means I had a car some time ago. So like that, we had some distance classes, for example. So that means not now. They had distance education classes some time ago, not now. It is because past tense verb is used here. You had a friend. So that means not now, some time ago you had a friend. That is known to us by had, the verb had, verb of possession. Third person singular, he, she, it. With these three subjects, we have to use has only. For the past tense, had it is. For these three subjects, though these are third person singulars, past tense is had, but the present tense is has. She has a pen means she has a pen now, but she had a pen or she had a blue pen. So that means not now. Earlier she used to have a blue pen. So that is known to us by the use of had. And the next subject is he. He had a studio. So that means some time ago he had a studio. He owned a studio. He ran a studio. That is the meaning when we use had. And another subject, it. It had 3 points. So that it is a neutral subject, and whatever it may be a chair or it may be a book or it may be something else, neutral. So that neutral subject had 3 points. It had 3 points only. Not now, but earlier. And last subject is they. They had good friends. They had good friends. Not now. Some time ago they had good friends. How do we know that some time ago? It is by using the past tense of the verb of possession, that is had. When you use had as a singular verb, independent verb, that shows that the subject had something in the past, not at present. So this way we can use these verb of possessions in the past. Verb of possession in the future. Verb of possession in the future also follows the same rules of what future tense possesses the rules. I shall have a car. I shall is used for future tense. But when you want to say verb of possession, have is necessary for all subjects, first person, second person, third person, singulars or plurals. Distinction, no distinction is there. I shall have a car. So that means I shall have a car in future, not now. In the earlier subject it was, earlier sentences it was, I had a car. So some time ago he possessed a car, not now. But this future sentence, future tense with this verb of possession tells, I shall have a car. That means I shall buy a car. I shall have a car. We shall have some land. So with the next subject, that is we shall have some subject, some field, We shall have some field means we shall have some land, and that means we shall buy some piece of land. We shall, future tense, and possession is have. We shall have some piece of land. And with you, that is second person, rule, future tense rule is same. Second persons and third persons for future tense, will should be used. So that means you will. You will have a cow. You will have a cow. So that means in future you will have a cow. Somebody will give that cow to you, or you may buy one cow. That is future tense. You will have a cow. She will have a nice garden in front of her house. She will have a nice garden in front of her house. So that means future action. Verb of possession, future tense. She will have a nice garden in front of her house. They will have a problem that they have to face. They will have a problem. They is the subject. Will tells that it is future action, and have tells that it is future but possession, verb of possession. So that means they will have a problem they have to face. These are all future actions of future tense in verb of possession. Verb of possession, present tense. Verb of possession, past tense. Verb of possession, future tense is also we have seen. And in the next class we shall see verb of action. Let us go for verb of action in the next class, but presently it is You remember, all the students, you remember in this class I have given you verb of possession past tense and verb of possession future tense. In my earlier class I taught you verb of possession in present tense. So in all these classes, if you follow meticulously and carefully, you can understand how to use verb of possession in present tense, in past tense and in future tense. Right.